Hello guys, my name is Mukanya. I'm a CEO and founder at JT Devs. For today's video, we're going to continue with CSS3. Alright, so let's cover animation. What is it? Animation is a way of manipulating an image based on the state. Okay, we already have our image right here, and now we decide to move it to the center. So let's do it. So to move an element to the center, we need to make use of margin. Okay. So since we set the margin to be auto, that means that it's going to apply this auto to top, right, bottom, and left. But I want to put a space on the top, so the first argument will be set to the top. Okay. And then this auto it will be set for right, bottom, and left. Okay. So let's see if there's any change. So the change only applies to the top. It didn't move the image to the center. So, and then I'm going to scroll up and go to the main element, which is the parent to the image. So let's have a look back to our HTML5. So if you can see, as you can see, the image element is actually inside of the main element. Okay. That means that this one is a child to the main element, and then the main element is a parent to the image element. Okay. Then we need to apply a display because look here, if I apply a display, let's say because I want it to move, I don't think so. It has a display of block on it, but I don't know by default what it has as a default, but you can just check it on the internet. Some of the element has it and some don't have it. So if I move place display block in here, then it will be a little bit messy. So it's moving our main element with a pixel of 20 pixels. So I don't want that. So what I want is to actually allow the element to have a display of flex on the parent element. Okay, so let's have a look now and see what is the change. Okay, now it moved. So since it moved, so we need to apply our animation. So we need to create an animation. So to create animation, we need to use a keyframe. Then we'll do this. On the keyframe, we just have to change the change what? We need to change the name. So we're just going to give it maybe image, and then on state 0. So I'm going just to make it quick. So in here, what we're going to do, we're going to give it a border. So this one is actually those size. If you're setting the element, it's going to be like for a clockwise. So this is going to be first the width, or yeah, the width up to the border. Then I'm going to give it 5 pixels, and then this is going to be, I believe, the style. They will say solid, and then after that will be color. They will give it the color of gray. Okay. Then once we get to 25%, we just have to move it from 0 to 25%. Once we get to 35%, we need to change it from green to yellow. Then after we did that, there we need to apply a border radius. What is a border radius? It's just to make it circle for 50%. Okay, and then after that would be 75%. And then on the 75%, we need to set the left, to maybe 400 pixels. Okay, and the top maybe to 300 pixels. Okay, then we can also change the color of the border. There we can say border, maybe border color. Yeah, we give it maybe dark cyan. Okay, and then once we get to 100%, then is where we can just say this one would be maybe border will be maybe it will give it maybe 3 pixels, and then it will be we have that as a style, and the color will be brown. Okay. Okay, let's just okay, that's it. Now, now let's apply the name of animation on our element. Then we just go to the element, and then I will say animation name. Okay, so animation name is image. Then animation, so duration, then it will be 60 seconds for 1 minute. And then after that will be animation, uh, 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 animation iteration count, which will be how many times will it repeat. Then we say infinite. Okay. And then if you want to add a delay, you can also do that. Animation delay. And then you can just set the second. So I'm not going to use any delay. So let's see. Let's have a look. And then I'm just going to refresh it again. And then try to zoom in. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this one is already 100. Then change the style of the border. Then to start over. Okay, then that'll be it. All right. Thank you guys for your patience, and bye.